Recording. Okay, good morning, all of you. Hello.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Yeah. I want to tell all of you that you are attend the classes regularly. Uh, Still, attendance is not satisfactory. You have to
हम रोज
attend the
करते हैं.
हाँ? तुम रोज करते हो. Tell your other friends and who are not attending the class that this is class 10th. So you have to be sincere and serious. Okay. This was all over now. So we were on this paragraph, I think. No one is born hating another person because of the color of his skin. So just from the childhood, a person does not hate another person by the color of the skin. Why does the how does the person learn all these things? He learns it in the society. uh, People must learn to hate, and if they can learn to hate, they can be taught to love, for love comes more naturally to the human heart than its opposite. So what does Nelson Mandela say? That love comes more naturally to the human heart, love comes more easily. And then he tells us about an incident when he was in prison. He could even see the shine of kindness, glimmer means what? What's the meaning of glimmer?
चमकना.
Shine. Humanity here means kindness. So even he could see the kindness in the uh, eyes of the guard. So basically all human beings are good. uh, and as they grow, they learn all the evil things in society, perhaps just for a second. But it was enough to reassure me and keep me going. Man's goodness is a flame that can be hidden but never extinguished. So, what does Mandela say about human beings? That man's goodness is a flame. Hmm? Maybe because of some reasons, the goodness is hidden, but it cannot be extinguished. Then he talks about the obligations. ये तो हो गया था. So every person has two kinds of duties. One duty is towards the family, one duty is towards the country. And what was the situation in South Africa? For a black person could not fulfill both his responsibilities. uh, because if a black person tried to fulfill the responsibility to his country and fight for the end of racial discrimination, then what was the condition? He was put in prison, and then from there he could not fulfill his duty towards his family. So the same thing was the case with Nelson Mandela. So he could not fulfill the responsibility towards his family. Why could he not fulfill the responsibility towards his family? Who will answer? Why could Nelson Mandela not fulfill the responsibility towards his family? Ananya Singh?
Yes,
Ananya, can
ma'am.
you answer?
Yes,
Why?
ma'am.
Yes. Why couldn't Nelson Mandela fulfill the responsibility?
Ma'am, Nelson Mandela couldn't fulfill the responsibility of his family because when he go after fulfilling the responsibility of his nation, then he was present, so that he was not able to fulfill the responsibilities of his families.
Yes, very good, very good. So he, when he tried to fulfill the responsibilities towards the country and put an end to the evil system of racial discrimination, he was put in the prison and he was forced to live an isolated life away from his family. So he could not fulfill his duties. Obligation means duties. He could not fulfill his obligations, his duties as a son. He could not fulfill his duties towards his parents. He could not fulfill his duty towards his brother. He could not fulfill his duty towards his children. As a father, he could not fulfill his duties. He could not fulfill his duties towards his wife. Uh, so he says that in the childhood, during his childhood, what he felt that he was free, but later on when he grew up, what he understood that the childhood freedom was a false experience. It was just an illusion. What is the meaning of illusion? What is the meaning of illusion?
Something that appeared to be real but is not.
Yes,
मैम
something that,
भ्रम.
हाँ, भ्रम, हाँ, भ्रम. तो नेल्सन जब वो छोटे थे तो नेल्सन मंडेला को लगता था कि आजाद हैं, because he was free to swim, he was free to roam about here and there, free to ride on the bullock's back. But when he grew up, what he realized that uh, he was not free, because he could not remain outside at night. He could not read the books of his choice. He could not go to the places of his choice. Means basic rights जो हर किसी को मिलना चाहिए, वो भी ब्लैक्स लोगों को नहीं थी. और रीजन क्या था? The reason was just the color of their skin, because they were black in color, so they were treated as second class citizens. They were not given the basic rights, and this is really inhuman and not just. It is not justice uh, to deny the rights to a person just because the color of his skin, just because is black in color. It cannot be justified in any way. And then he in the beginning he wanted freedom to him for himself. Then when he looked around, what he realized that there are many people like him, all the people of his community, all the black South Africans, their suffering was the same. Everybody were denied the basic rights just because the color of their skin. uh, that was so when he initially he thought that only his freedom was curtailed. Then when he looked around him, then what did he find out? That the freedom of everyone who looked like I did, the freedom of all the black skinned people were curtailed. And then he decided to protest, then he decided to oppose. तब उन्होंने डिसाइड किया कि इस बुराई को वो खत्म करेंगे. रंग के आधार पर अगर आप किसी को उसके बेसिक राइट्स नहीं दें, उसके मौलिक अधिकार, तो वो बिल्कुल भी सही नहीं है, जस्टिफाइड नहीं है. And then he took a decision that he is going to join the African National Congress. The hunger for his freedom became the hunger for his own, for his people. And then he was not a brave person, but this desire for freedom turned himself to a brave person. So law abiding attorney to become a criminal. So what transformed him to from a frightened young man to a bold one? कैसे वो बदल गए, एक डरपोक आदमी से एक बोल्ड आदमी वो कैसे बने? ये जो फ्रीडम की डिजायर थी, बुराई को खत्म करने का डिजायर, that made him uh, that changed him from a frightened person to a bold person, from a law abiding attorney. He was a law abiding attorney, uh, and late and he had to become a criminal in the sense that he was opposing the whites, and in the eyes of the white he was a criminal. मतलब वो क्रिमिनल रियलिटी में थे नहीं, लेकिन वाइट्स लोगों के अनुसार वो क्रिमिनल थे, वो अपोज कर रहे थे इस चीज को। तो into a man without a home, that forced a life loving man to live like a monk. Live life like a monk means what? Without uh, worldly things. Very simple life. I'm no more virtuous or self sacrificing than the next man. But I found that I could not even enjoy the poor and limited freedom when I knew my people were not free. So he does not say that he's a very good person, both virtuous and both self sacrificing. He does not praise himself. So Nelson Mandela does not praise himself. Uh, but what he found that he could not enjoy the limited freedom when he knew that all the blacks were not free. Freedom is indivisible. The chains of anyone of my people were the chains on all of them. So freedom is indivisible. The chains of any एक आदमी भी अगर बंधन में है, तो that is the chain of on all of them. Even if one black South African is in chain, it means that all of them are chained. The chains on all my people were the chains on me. He was not separate from his community. So, if his community was not free, he was also not free. I knew the oppressor must be liberated just as surely as the oppressed. So, who is the oppressor here? Oppressor मतलब जो दूसरे को दबाता है. So, who is
Whites.
the whites? Yes. The oppressor are the whites and the oppressed are the blacks. A man who takes away another's man's freedom is a prisoner of hatred. अगर आप किसी और की आज़ादी लेते हैं, तो that person is surely going to hate you. A man who takes away another man's freedom is a prisoner of hatred. He is locked behind the bars of prejudice. So what is prejudice? A strong dislike without any good reason. आप किसी को नापसंद करते हैं, रीजन कुछ नहीं है, बस नहीं पसंद है तो नहीं पसंद है. And narrow mindedness. So Nelson Mandela says that human beings should free themselves from prejudice, from narrow mindedness. They should be broad minded. They should not hate anyone. I'm not truly free if I'm taking away someone else's freedom. अगर आप किसी की आजादी छीनते हैं तो आप भी फ्री नहीं हो सकते हैं. Just as surely as I'm not free when my freedom is taken away from me. So the person who takes away someone's freedom, that person is also not free because he is a prisoner of hatred. I'm not free when my freedom is taken from me. The oppressed and the oppressor alike are robbed of humanity. So even the person who is the oppressor, he is also not happy, are alike. So this is the end of the chapter. What twin obligations does Mandela mention? What are the twin obligations? Two duties. Who will answer? Twin obligations. Akriti? Akriti, can you hear me? Akriti? आकृति सिन्हा नहीं सुना. Ankit Raj, what are the twin obligations of a person?
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am,
Okay,
can I answer?
Okay, answer.
Ma'am, can I answer?
Answer karo koi. One.
Ma'am, the twin obligations mentioned by Nelson Mandela is that the first one is to his family, parents,
Yes.
wife, and children, and the second one his people, his community, and his country.
Okay, Sugandh, very good. Okay. Yes, very good. So the twin obligations, one obligation refers to the duty towards family and the other to the country. What did being free mean to Mandela as a boy and as a student? As a boy, what he thought? Being free meant, you have to write the answer from this paragraph. Being free meant that he could, yes, this one. He could he was free to run in the fields near the mother's field. He was free to swim in the clear stream. He was free to roast mealies. So as a boy, freedom meant these things. As a boy, what did freedom mean to him? Running in the fields, then swimming in the clear stream, roasting mealies, riding on the broad backs of bullocks. Mute your mic. Whose mic is unmute? So then these were the freedom as a child. Then second part of the question, how does he contrast these transitory freedoms with the basic and honorable freedom? So and as a student, what was his freedom? As a student, uh, to read books of his choice, to stay out at night, ये है as a student.
Teachers should not be given homework.
Huh?
Go where he wants.
Yes, go where he wants, uh, visit places of his choice. So as a student, freedom meant these things: visit places. Then how does he contrast these transitory freedoms? So he contrasts these freedoms by telling that he realized as a student that all the freedoms that he had enjoyed as a boy were just illusion. So, as a student, he realized that all the freedom that he had enjoyed as a child were just illusions. And then he started desiring for real freedoms. This is the contrast, difference. Contrast means what? Difference. Does Mandela think the oppressor is free? Oppressor
No,
is no. Why not?
because
Mandela,
now freedom is a prisoner of hatred. He
Yes,
locked
prisoner
behind the
of.
bars of prejudice and narrow-mindedness.
Oh, yes, prisoner of hatred.
he realized that both the oppressor and the oppressed are robbed of their humanity and peace.
Yes, the oppressor and the oppressed are robbed of their humanity and peace. जो दूसरे को दबाता है, जो दूसरे का आजादी लेता है, वो भी खुश नहीं रहता है. It's not that you take away someone's freedom and you are happy, because constantly fight will keep on taking place. There will be no peace, and then the person cannot remain happy. So the person whose freedom has been taken, that person is not happy, but the person who takes the freedom, that person is also not happy, because he is hated like anything. Huh? so so you can do the question answers by yourself. Yeah. No need
Yes,
to
ma'am.
do the other exercises, or these exercises you don't need to do, just the question answers. Is it clear? Then some MCQ questions, uh, answer some MCQ questions, because now 60% of your question paper will contain MCQs. How does Mandela define the meaning of courage? What is
Triumph
courage?
over
Ma'am,
fear.
ma'am, triumph over fear.
Fear.
Yes, very good.
Option A,
Triumph over fear. What is the meaning of triumph? Success.
success, victory.
Yes, very good. Success, victory. So he does not say that courage is absence of fear. डर तो हर किसी में रहता है, लेकिन courage है क्या? उस डर से जीतना. Triumph over fear. Okay. So where did the ceremonies take place?
Sandstone amphitheater.
Yes, very good. Sandstone amphitheater. Okay, then which flame can be hidden but never extinguished?
Man's goodness.
Yes,
Man's goodness.
just now we
Ma'am,
studied.
ma'am,
Yes, just now we studied. Man's goodness is a flame that can never be extinguished. Okay, which day was the largest gathering of international leaders on South African soil for the installation of South Africa's first democratic non-racial government?
10th May.
Yes,
10th May.
10th May. Just the day is mentioned, year is not mentioned. Year is 1994. Okay, what is a country's greatest wealth? Minerals, people,
It's
technology,
people.
it's
People.
people's.
Yes,
None of
it's
them.
people. What does Mandela say? That people are more precious than the diamonds. The real wealth of a country are its people. Uh, if the people are good, if the people are hardworking, talented, then the country prospers. So the real greatest wealth of a country are its people. If the people are not good, then they will waste all the wealth and materials. So what does depth of oppression create? Oppressed heights
Ma'am,
of
lack of freedom.
Lack of freedom.
uh-huh. What is mentioned in the story?
Ma'am, A. Ma'am, A, oppressed.
Praise.
Heights of character.
Poverty.
No, heights of character. What does Nelson Mandela say about when he talks about the freedom
Meaning
fighters?
एक और बार explain.
Yes, when he talks about the
Ma'am,
freedom
meaning
fighters.
explain कर दीजिए.
क्या?
Ma'am, meaning explain कर दीजिए.
हाँ, मीनिंग एक्सप्लेन कर देते हैं. तो he says that he's talking about the freedom fighters, and when he says that वो जो freedom fighters थे वो इतने महान कैरेक्टर के कैसे बने, क्योंकि उनको इतना ऑपरेशन सहना पड़ा. So what made them so persons of such a strong character? The operation.
Ma'am, literally lack of freedom भी हो सकता है ना.
नहीं, लिटरली लैक ऑफ फ्रीडम नहीं होगा. ये क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है कि जो सफरिंग के कारण क्या क्रिएट हुआ, जो लोग सफर किए तो क्या उनको फायदा हुआ. जितना वो सफर किया उतना उनका कैरेक्टर मजबूत हुआ. They suffered cruelty, but that made them person of strong character. They tolerated so much of cruelty and still did not give up. So that created men of great character. It is mentioned in the story. I will point out to you the line. So who according to Mandela is not free? Oppressor, oppressed.
Ma'am, C. Ma'am, C. मैम ऑपरेसर और ऑपरेस्ट भी मैम आप बोली थी उधर.
हाँ, हम बोले थे, सही तो है.
Option B.
Both 1 and 2 होगा. Mandela says that neither the oppressor nor the oppressed is free. जो दूसरे का आजादी छीनता है वो भी फ्री नहीं है, वो prisoner of hatred है. So oppressor and the oppressed. Okay, which party did Mandela join?
African
National Congress.
ANC.
Yes.
Lucky Raj.
ANC.
Lucky Raj. Lucky, you want to answer?
Ma'am, option A.
Yes, option A. नहीं, option B है. African.
Option B.
Indian, हाँ.
African National Congress.
इंडिया में वो
Ma'am, African National Congress.
Ah, yes, African.
ANC.
No, not ANC, only B. ANC.
Ma'am, ANC.
Who said
African
ANC?
National Congress.
मैम वो बी का शॉर्ट फॉर्म बता रहा है.
ओहो, एक ही में दिया हुआ है तो शॉर्ट फॉर्म क्या? अफ्रीकन नेशनल कांग्रेस. ओके. What realization did Mandela have of his boyhood freedom? बाद में जब वो बड़े हुए,
it was just
बचपन में
an
लगता था
illusion.
कि आजाद है. बचपन में क्या लगता है कि घूम सकते हैं, फील्ड्स में स्विम कर सकते हैं.
मैम ऑप्शन ए.
It is, yes, very good. ऑप्शन ए, इट इज जस्ट एन इल्यूजन. बड़े हुए तब लगा कि ये सब तो एक भ्रम था, आजाद वो है कहाँ. वो चीज उन्हें बड़े होकर रियलाइज हुआ जब वो स्टूडेंट हुए. Why were two national anthems sung? On the inauguration ceremony, we are told that anthem of the white and the black both were sung. Why were they sung? To imply unity, mark the end of racial discrimination, mark the end of gender discrimination, both 1 and 2, which is the
D.
correct.
Both 1 and 2.
1 and 2.
Ma'am, D option.
मैम both 1 and 2.
Both 1 and 2.
Ma'am, B
Yes.
to mark the end of racial discrimination.
B होगा B. दोनों
ma'am,
एंथम
B.
क्यों गाया गया कि दोनों इक्वल हैं? मार्क द एंड
No,
ऑफ रेशियल डिस्क्रिमिनेशन.
discrimination.
लेकिन
मैम यूनिटी भी वही तो है मैम.
हाँ, दोनों होगा, ये होगा. सॉरी, ये सही में
Ma'am, D होगा.
डी होगा. बोथ 1 and 2. यूनिटी मार्क करने के लिए. What did Mandela learn about courage? This is a repetition.
मैम आई थिंक बी.
Yes, B. We
Ma'am,
repeated.
B. It is triumph over fear.
This question we had already done. For triumph over fear, victory over fear. Okay. What unintended effect did the decades of oppression and brutality had? जो अफ्रीकन पेट्रियट्स थे वो बहुत सालों तक क्रूएल्टी सहे. ब्रूटैलिटी मीन्स क्रूएल्टी. ऑपरेशन ऑल्सो मीन्स क्रूएल्टी. सो
मैम ए.
यस. तो क्या क्रिएट हुआ? Men of extraordinary courage, wisdom and generosity. So the suffering created men of great character. Men of extraordinary courage, wisdom and generosity. Okay. The structure they created formed the basis of one of the harshest, most inhumane societies the world has ever known. What structure is Mandela talking about? Racial domination against the black skin, poverty and suffering, discrimination.
मैम ए.
मैम ए.
Yes, it's very clear. Racial domination against the black skin. Okay. The spectacular array of South African jets was a display of military's precision, military's loyalty to democracy, none of the above, both 1 and 2.
मैम बी.
Military's loyalty to democracy.
मैम बी हो सकता है.
It's both A and B. एक तो मिलिट्री का एग्जैक्टनेस और द स्पेक्टेकुलर एरे. इट वाज आल्सो display of military precision, exactness, and also that the military will remain faithful to the democracy. It is both 1 and 2. Second या third paragraph में दिया हुआ है इसका आंसर. Okay, what was it that the nation needed to be liberated from? एक आजादी तो उन्हें मिल गई थी, लेकिन और भी चीज.
मैम डी. ऑल ऑफ द अबव.
All of the
All the above. वो जब प्लेज लेते हैं तो कहते हैं ना कि we have to free our country from poverty and gender discrimination. So all of the above. This he talks about in the oath taking ceremony. Okay, what change brought international leaders to South Africa?
End of apartheid.
End of apartheid.
हाँ, वो कंग्रेचुलेट करने आए थे साउथ अफ्रीका को एंड ऑफ अपार्थाइड के लिए. ओके. हाउ मेनी डेप्यूटी प्रेसिडेंट्स वर इलेक्टेड?
2.
2.
Ma'am, 2.
2. Okay. When was the inauguration day?
Ma'am, 10 May.
10 May.
Ma'am, A.
Okay. So 4 minutes are left. तो अब नया तो कुछ टाइगर इन द जू से कुछ क्वेश्चंस पूछते हैं. You all have understood that poem Tiger in the Zoo? Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what does the tiger do in the zoo? Who will answer? Answer? Zoo में क्या करता है वो टाइगर? In the zoo or in the cage? इसमें केज दिया हुआ है. Come on, answer. What does the tiger do? No one. Why? Advait? Advait, can you hear me? Advait? Hello? Hello? Why is there so much of silence? किसी को नहीं आता आंसर?
Ma'am.
Okay, answer.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, the tiger stalks in his vivid strips.
Okay.
Ma'am, few
He
some
walks.
steps.
And ignores the visitors.
He walks the few steps of the cage.
Ma'am, he ignores the visitors.
Okay, ignores visitors. So today's homework is to do the question answers of Nelson Mandela Long Walk to Freedom. Do you have the book or should I send the PDF in the class group? Huh?
मैम PDF.
Okay, I will
Ma'am,
send.
Ma'am, PDF भेज दीजिएगा.
ठीक है, अभी भेज देते हैं. थोड़ा क्लास एंड होगा तो भेज देंगे. Okay. Okay. What is the meaning of quiet rage? Rage means what?
Anger.
Anger.
And
Rage means anger. Pads of velvet refer to?
His feet.
padded feet of the tiger.
Yes, thick padded feet. Thick padded feet of the tiger. Okay. What should the tiger do near the water hole? What should the tiger do near the water hole? चलो बताओ. You all were not present when the poem was taught? हाँ, water hole के
He
पास.
hide.
Yes, okay. Hide and wait for the prey, the plump deer. What is the prey of the tiger? Hide and
That deer.
wait for the prey, the plump deer. Plump means fat. Okay. Okay, so your homework is to do the question answers of Nelson Mandela Long Walk to Freedom. So I'm ending the class here, and tell your friends to join the class, those who are not doing the class. Huh? इतना एक्सपर्ट है इंग्लिश में कुछ लोग कि क्लास ज्वाइन करने का जरूरत ही नहीं है ना. ओके ओके, सो आई एम एंडिंग. बाय ऑल ऑफ यू.